Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you on how to list multiple items on eBay effectively. Let's get started. Firstly, log into your eBay account. If you're new to eBay, you may wish to create an account. You can select either a personal or business account by providing your full legal name, email, and password, and then click the Create Account button. Alternatively, you can simplify the process by using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account to sign in. Once logged in, navigate to your selling preferences. On the left side of your dashboard, find and click on Selling Preferences. Here, you can set preferences for multi-quantity listings. You have the option to let buyers see exactly how many items are left in your listings. To enable this, scroll down to the multi-quantity listings section and toggle the option for buyers to see the exact numbers. Additionally, you can manage who can purchase from you by clicking on Edit. Remember, each listing can have up to 5 variation details and 50 values for each. It's important to describe the features that are consistent across your items. Most categories are set up for eBay listing variations, which you can manage through the Advanced Listing tool or Seller Hub. If you encounter difficulties accessing the multi-quantity listing options in Selling Preferences, click on Help and Contact. Then, navigate to Multi-Quantity Listings and Listings with Variations. These resources offer valuable guidelines for creating multiple identical listings within the same item category. You can perform these actions either in the Seller Hub or your My eBay section. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you effectively list multiple items on eBay. See you in the next video.